Alright guys, and I'm back. Had a coffee at the petrol station and a cheeseburger. And let me tell you something. That £3 whatever 60 cheeseburger was fucking heavens better than a 13 or 14 pounds cheeseburger I had 2 days ago in a restaurant, man. Now that cheeseburger, that burger was shit, man. I paid like £14 for it or something like that. And it was crap. And this one was like $3.60 or something. It was fucking. There was no like, what's it called, vegetables on it at all. It's just a patty and the cheese. Not even ketchup. Like you could add ketchup yourself, but I wasn't bothered. And just this alone was fucking much better than a £14 burger, mate. Seriously, it's just. That's why I will not stop there again in that restaurant. It's like it's on my way actually. When I'm going back, it will be on my way. That restaurant, but I'm not gonna fucking stop there. Nope, not gonna happen. Not gonna pay that type of money for that type of shit quality food. And it's and I'm not the person to leave reviews. I'm just not gonna visit that place ever again, even if I ever visit Scotland again. No, I'm not gonna just visit that restaurant ever again. Like, nope, I'm not interested. So yeah, now I'm going towards a viewpoint kind of thing, where I can fly my drone. It's gonna be somewhere in the mountains or next to the mountains, something like that. It has 22 miles, 35 minutes basically. 35 minutes away. So I will put some music on. This is closed. Put some music on and yeah, you can watch the views, obviously, like here. Very nice views. And I'll talk to you once I'm there, or if I have something interesting to talk about.
Messing with my head again. You had your heart set on me, but these feels, they come and go, and they come so easily. Tell me what it is about you that I can't forget, but you're breaking down my walls again, just to set me free. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Staying up when I go out, you gotta know I'm all yours. But when I say what's that about, you start slurring your words. Tell me why you have to seem so distant when I'm holding you. Your fingertips are drifting away into fucking love, how it hurts. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the
Couldn't run, I tried. So do it one more time. I don't wanna free fall, dancing in your cold. I die just to know what's on your mind. Spin me in it for so long, under your control. I die just to love you one more time. When you hold me with your eyes, oh, it burns me up inside. It's like fire, it's like fire. Oh, I'm fighting for my life, just one touching of my life. It's like fire, it's like fire. It's like fire. When the thunder's loud, all your true colors come out. They're still gray like clouds, but I see them clearly now. When the rain pours in, this is our warning. But I die just to love you one more time. Will you hold me with your eyes? Oh, it burns me up inside. It's like fire, it's like fire. Oh, I'm fighting for my life, just one touching of my life. It's like fire. It's like When you hold me with your eyes, oh, it burns me up inside. It's like fire. Stay a moment. All my walls are falling, and my heart is beating loud until I hit the ground. Will you stay around until I hit the ground?
The final China. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do. 2 minutes away. I'm not gonna overtake them because it's 2 minutes and 1.4 miles. Yes, I've been through this area. I just didn't stop basically here. So I'm gonna stop, do some pictures, and I'll fly my drone. I think the wind. I'm going 40 miles an hour. I don't get much wind, so I think wind-wise it's gonna be fine. So yeah, holy shit, that is an area, man. I'll fly my drone, but I don't expect to go above those mountains. It's 120 meters the limit for my drone up. I can go 500 meters forward, but you know, doesn't give me shit really when it comes to, you know what? Fuck it, I will stop over here. Why stop over there when I can stop over here? It's the same shit, innit? Okay, I'll stop over here and I'll do some drone footage over here. As you can see, the people are walking this way. You can hike over there. Obviously, that's not something I'm gonna do, because looking at it, yeah, someone went hiking already. Like they left the car over here. Fucking hell! Look at that side. Literally, like it's like a canyon. Basically, you're going through like a canyon thing. So yeah, it's very nice. I'll fly my drone. There's a lot of space over here. Not a lot of people parked. And the location it says there might be a parking there, but it might be taken. So I'd rather just take this one. It's not far away. It's literally just 1 mile away. So 1 mile is not going to change that much, is it? Still have mountains. So I'll do a drone over here, flight, and then I'll continue on with my journey, basically. So
So sweet to be